The way coffee cherries are processed after harvesting significantly influences the flavor profile of the coffee. The three main processing methods, washed, wet, natural, dry, and honey processed, affect the balance of acidity, sweetness, body, and complexity in the final cup. Here's how each processing method impacts flavor. 1. Washed, wet, processing description. In this method, the coffee cherries are depulped, fermented in water to remove mucilage, and then washed before drying. This process minimizes the influence of the fruit on the beans. Flavor impact. 1. Acidity produces coffee with a clean and bright acidity. 2. Flavor notes highlights the intrinsic characteristics of the bean, often with citrus, floral, or fruity undertones. 3. Clean cup results in a crisp and consistent flavor profile, free from fruit-induced complexity. 4. Examples: Kenyan and Ethiopian coffees often exhibit vibrant acidity and clarity due to washed processing. 2. Natural, dry, processing description. Here, the cherries are dried with the fruit intact, allowing the beans to absorb sugars and flavors from the surrounding pulp. Flavor impact. 1. Sweetness, intensely sweet, with flavors reminiscent of ripe fruit or berries. 2. Body, a heavier, syrupy body adds depth to the cup. 3. Flavor notes, fruity, wine-like, and sometimes floral, with complex and layered profiles. 4. Examples: Ethiopian Ha and Brazilian coffees are known for their rich, fruity notes from natural processing. 3. Honey, semi-washed, processing description. In this hybrid method, the skin is removed, but the mucilage is left on the beans as they dry. The level of mucilage retained, yellow, red, or black honey, determines the intensity of the flavor. Flavor impact. 1. Sweetness, balanced, with caramel or honey-like sweetness. 2. Acidity, moderate acidity, offering a middle ground between washed and natural methods. 3. Body, medium to heavy, depending on the mucilage level. 4. Flavor notes, a blend of fruity and clean flavors, often with a creamy texture. 5. Examples: Costa Rican honey processed coffees are prized for their balance of sweetness and acidity. Factors amplified by processing sweetness. 1. Natural and honey processing enhance sweetness by allowing prolonged contact between the beans and fruit. 2. Washed processing minimizes this effect, prioritizing clarity over sweetness. Acidity. 1. Washed coffees exhibit the highest acidity, often clean and crisp. 2. Natural and honey processed coffees tend to have milder acidity due to the sugar absorption during drying. Complexity. 1. Natural processing adds layers of fruit and wine-like complexity. 2. Honey processed coffee offers a mix of complexity and clarity. 3. Washed coffees focus on highlighting the bean's inherent qualities without external influence. Body. 1. Natural and honey processed coffees have fuller bodies due to the residual fruit layers. 2. Washed coffees generally result in a lighter body, emphasizing a clean finish. Conclusion: coffee processing is a crucial step in defining the flavor characteristics of a coffee bean. Each method, washed for clean acidity, natural for fruity richness, and honey for a balanced profile, offers unique opportunities to experience coffee in diverse ways. Understanding these impacts can help coffee enthusiasts select beans that align with their taste preferences.